The Sun and its family is known as solar system. It comprises 8 planets, 173 satellites, thousands of asteroids, meteoroids and comets. The Sun is the center and other 8 planets are rotating around the Sun. Is a star. It looks bigger and brighter than all other stars. The Sun is a center. Other 8 planets are rotating around the Sun is called solar system. The Sun is a star. It looks brighter and brighter than all other stars. It is the center of the solar system and other 9 planets are rotating around the Sun. Rotating around the Sun. A celestial body orbiting around the Sun along an elliptical orbit is called a planet. Every planet has its own path of movement which is known as orbit. Earth also has its own orbit. The planets are non-luminous bodies. They receive light and heat from the Sun. The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Earlier, Pluto was the 9th planet of the solar system. Recently, it has been considered as a dwarf planet. The Sun is a star. It is the biggest star. It is a self-luminous body. It gives heat and light to the Earth. The Earth, it is our home. It is a unique planet in the solar system which occupies the 3rd place from the Sun. So where there is life exists. The shape of the Earth, it is called geoid. The Earth rotating itself, it takes 24 hours and it takes 365 days to rotate around the Sun is called revolution. It is the 3rd planet from the solar system where the life exists. The Earth equatorial diameter is 12,757 kilometer. Its polar diameter is 12,714 kilometer. The Earth takes rotation in 24 hours. It causes day and night. The Earth takes 365 days to rotate around the Sun. It causes seasons. The Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. Mercury, it is the nearest planet to the Sun. It has no water and it is the hottest planet because it is very near to the Sun. Mercury takes 59 days for rotation, 88 days for revolution. Venus, it is the 2nd planet from the Sun and smaller than the Earth. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is known as morning star, silver star, evening star. Venus takes 243 days for rotation, 225 days for revolution. Mars. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is known as red planet. It is known as red planet. Mars takes 24 hours 37 minutes for rotation and it takes 686 days for revolution. Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is 1300 times bigger than the Earth. It is a gaseous giant planet. Jupiter takes for its rotation 10 hours and for its revolution 12 years. Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is also made up of gas and it takes for its rotation its rotation 10 hours 39 minutes and 29.5 years for revolution. Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. Like Jupiter and Saturn, it is also made up of gas. It shines as a blue-green disk. It has rings which is epoch. Uranus takes 17 hours 13 minutes for its rotation, 84 years for revolution. Neptune, it is the eighth planet from the Sun. It's a composition of similar that Uranus. Its color is bright and blue. It is one of the cloudiest planet in the solar system. It takes 16 hours 23 minutes for its rotation. Neptune takes 16 hours 23 minutes for its rotation, 165 years for its revolution. Celestial body revolving around the planet is called a satellite. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth. It does not have light its own. It reflects the light from the sun during the night. Movements of the moon. The moon has two movements. One is rotation and revolution. A small fragment of rocks and debris in the space are called meteorites. When they are entered to the earth atmosphere, they burnt up into the atmosphere due to the friction and a set of light produces. They are called shooting stars. The rocky celestial bodies revolving around the sun are called asteroids. Most of them are located between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. Comet is an icy body that gives out gas and dust. They revolve around the sun. They can be seen in the night when they come close to the earth. They come close to the sun and they produce a long tail which is made up of gas and dust. Some comets appear at regular intervals. Halley comet appears once in 76 years.